Friends, I am continuing the chapter latitudes and longitudes, very important chapter. Today I will tell you some practical aspects of latitude and longitude. Suppose I have told you earlier, we should be able to locate any place with the help of latitude and longitude. Both are needed to know the exact location of a place, both latitude and longitude and latitude. Now suppose I am locating Delhi and then London and then Brasilia. Brasilia is the capital of Brazil, and London, you know, it is the capital of UK, or you may say England, and Delhi or New Delhi is the capital of India. So we will try to see location, that means latitude and longitude of all the three places. Every place has its unique latitude and longitude. So no places, two places can have same latitude and longitude both. So mind it clearly, and now I am just showing you the map. I think I will be able to show it clearly. So you look at the map. First I am showing you the world political map. Please take it here. Yes, you can see here world political map. This is a big map, world political. You can see this. Now I am closing it slowly, moving my camera down so that you may see a particular point. Slowly I have follow my pencil tip. This is world political. Okay, now I am slowly going towards, you see, this is Africa. I am crossing Africa. I have come to Saudi Arabia. I have through the Arabian Sea, passing through the Arabian Sea, my pencil tip has entered India. Slowly I am going towards north, and I have come here at Delhi. This is Delhi. You can see very well. This is Delhi. Okay. Now if I want to locate Delhi, then the latitude of Delhi, then I have to go either this way or this way. This way is nearer. So yes, follow my pencil. I am passing through China. Yes, again I am passing through China. Yes, I have crossed north. I am in North Pacific Ocean, and you see this is your Delhi. If it is straight line, Delhi to, so this you come slightly less than 30 degree. So the latitude here is 28.5. Okay, exact position slightly less than 23 it is. So latitude of Delhi is 28.5 degree. You see, this is near to 30 degree. Okay. Now how to locate longitude? Yes, again follow my pencil. Again I am coming to Delhi. Again I pass China and entered through Arunachal Pradesh. I have entered India. Now I have again came to Delhi. Now I can go upward or downward. Previously I have gone eastwards. Now I will go northwards or upwards. See, follow here. You can, my pencil tip is visible to you. I am crossing Kazakhstan. Then I have entered Russia. Yes, this I am just crossing Russia, and here I have come to, this is your 77, slightly more than 75. So this is our exact location. I don't know, but it is more than, I will tell you from the net. I will tell you the position of this. So this is 28.5 and this is almost, I think, 77.3. I will tell you the exact position afterwards. Okay. Now my second position is, I am going to London. Yes, you follow me to, I am going to London. Yes, you follow my pencil tip. Yes, again I have come to Russia. Yes, this is part of your Asia, northern part of Asia. then I am coming downwards, going southwards. Yes, slowly I have crossed here westward, and I have come to your England. This is the UK, and here is London, capital of England, London. Okay, here is London. You can well see that it's now you see that this westward is closer to here. So I should now not move in this direction now towards westwards. You see there, you will find that this is slightly more than 45. This is 45. It goes here 45. It is almost 47 or 48. I will tell you exactly, but it is more than 45. Now slowly again come to here. Follow my pencil tip, crossing through Kanda. Again I am returning to London. Yes, I have reduced my speed. I have again come to my pencil tip has again crossing Birmingham. I mean slightly downwards from Birmingham. Birmingham also in England. So I have come to London. Now I will go upward, that is northwards. Just follow my ankle tip, pencil tip. You will see that this is 0 degree. London, this 0 degree longitude is known as prime meridian. I have told you also. So London lies at the prime meridian. So you can see very well, its latitude is 47 and longitude is exactly 0. So this is about our London. Now I am coming to Brasilia. Brasilia, as you know well, this lies in southern hemisphere. That means I have to go southwards. I have to go southwards. But slightly also I will take this direction through the sea. This slowly I am crossing North Atlantic Ocean, and I have come to Brazil. I have entered Brazil. Brazil, big country, and here the capital of Brazil. I am marking the capital. You can see this is Brazil. The whole yellow colored boundaries of Brazil. Its area is more than India, and this is the capital of. You can read it, Brasilia. This one is Brasilia. Now you know it is. You see, Brasilia is located on this. This is marked. Just come with me towards west direction. You will see this is about 15 degree, 15 point something. So this is your 15 point something. Latitude of Brasilia is 15 point something. Now again I am coming towards Brasilia. Again crossing South Pacific Ocean, and I am crossing Peru, another country of South America, then Bolivia. Crossing Bolivia, I have come to Brasilia. If I go downward, then we will find this longitude. This is my adjacent longitude. I can follow this. Go downwards. I am coming to the end of the map almost. You see, this is 45 degree, and our Brazil slightly here. This is 40, 50, 47 or 48 degree. Okay, so Brazil is at about 48 degree western hemisphere. Brazil lies the western hemisphere as well as southern hemisphere. Okay, so these are 3 latitude and longitude. You can locate in the map. In this way you can locate in the map. Exact position you can find in internet, but it is better to know first how to locate on the map. Now about longitude, something more important I will tell about longitude. Come here. You know, I am coming to India. Slowly I am coming to India. This is our India. You can see this is our India. See, I am dealing with now longitude. Longitude tells about the time of a country or a place. This is, you know, this is your Allahabad, near about here. Can you see this Allahabad? This white spot is Allahabad, small white spot. This is Allahabad. Yes. Our time is located from a place which is located near Allahabad. That place name is Naini. Our clock is synchronized from Naini. There is a laboratory there. Indian time is noted from this. This time is known as IST, Indian Standard Time. If you locate the position of, longitude of Naini or Allahabad, you will find it is about 82 degree. Now you can see this. Slowly follow me. I am going upward, crossing China, then Russia, then yes. You see this lies between 75 and 90. So this is exactly 82 degree. That means it is 82. Our country, India, our country. That means Naini is about 82 degree from the prime meridian. I am again going to prime meridian. Yes, you know this goes through London also. Yes, this is your prime meridian. This is your prime meridian. Our country is at a distance of 80 degree longitude from prime meridian. And I have told you earlier yesterday that at every 1 degree 4 minute time changes. So 82 multiply 4, that is 328 minutes. You can calculate 82 4s are 328 minutes. Our country's time is 328 minutes, means if you divide by 5 hours 60 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time or ahead of London. That means our India, our sun rises earlier here. So our time is 5 hours 28 minutes advanced time than your time of London. In this way we can compare the times of other countries also. Okay. So I have today finished your discussion on latitude and longitude. Okay, have a nice day.